he recreated the world, if you will, as it relates to humanity through Noah. And no one can take that away from him. Genesis 9 and verse 18. Now the sons of Noah went out of the ark. Now the sons of Noah who went out of the ark were Shem, Ham, Japheth, and Ham was the father of the Canaanites. These three were sons of Noah, and from these the whole earth was populated. And Noah began to be a farmer, and he planted a vineyard. Then he drank wine and was drunk and became uncovered in his tent. And Ham, the father of Canaan, saw the nakedness of his father, and what did he do? Told his brothers outside. There is a contrast here, but Shem and Japheth took a garment, laid it on both their shoulders, and went backward and covered the nakedness of their father. Their faces were turned away, and they did not see their father's nakedness. Ham saw righteous Noah in a moment of sin.